Hi everyone, this is Trenton with GoFormz, and today we'll be exploring the 5 mobile forms for any modern HVAC business. If you do have any questions during the webinar, feel free to type them into the GoToWebinar question box and we'll be happy to answer them at the end of the presentation. All right, now let's get started. So we'll start our presentation with an overview of some of the benefits of using mobile forms and then dive right into the 5 mobile forms for your HVAC business. Using mobile forms can help kickstart your business's transformation. Because mobile forms look identical to your existing paper forms, there's no need to retrain your current workforce. When working with smaller screens and smartphones, your users can also choose to use their forms in a list view for a more streamlined index of your fields on your documents. This flexibility also extends to where your forms can be completed. Using GoFormz, your mobile forms can be completed absolutely anywhere and everywhere, even offline. Your mobile forms can include new data types like images, maps, and sketches, signatures, and automated calculations, helping your team reduce redundancies and errors. So to help understand how mobile forms can elevate your HVAC operation, we'll dive right into the 5 essential digital documents sure to make an impact on your current business. So the first form we'll look at is work orders. And we'll start with these mobile work orders. These digital forms make it easy to document your HVAC project details. With instant form routing to customers and current team members, your work order details can be rapidly shared, approved, and processed in real time. Using key features like digital signatures, your work orders can efficiently capture client approvals and be stored on the cloud for easy reference throughout the whole duration of the project. The next form we'll go over to is the service reports. And with digitized service reports, your project progress, updates, and any obstacles can be easily documented and stored on the cloud. Using dynamic field properties, your users can only be shown fields in the form that are relevant to their specific job operation, streamlining fieldwork completion and improving data accuracy. Digital service reports can also capture new data types to better communicate your project progress. You'll see examples of these fields listed in the key features below, including images, sketches, and maps, which can help visualize and bring context to this current service report. The next form we'll go over is quotes. And when using mobile quotes, your team can strike while the iron's hot. You can capture the prospective clients as soon as possible with instantly generated digital quotes. Using automatic calculations, you can ensure quotes are consistently accurate and rapidly completed. With the digital signatures, you can capture prospective clients' interests and immediately share completed quote details with your team members and key players in your company. Another key feature for quotes is the cloud storage, which allows your team to access and reference quote details at any point during and after the project is completed. The next form we'll go over is invoices. And with invoices, these tie directly together with the original work order, and they can be a description of the work completed and the resulting project expenses. With the automatic calculations, one of the key features listed below, you can tally accurate project hours, materials, and associated costs instantly. With custom workflows, you can notify team members when the invoice has been paid for, saving you significant time and money. Via the cloud storage, both clients and team members can easily reference invoice details. The last form we'll go over is the safety checklist. And with mobile safety checklists, you can simplify compliance with easy to complete checklists. With digital signatures, required fields, and time fields, you can ensure checklists are completed by on-site team members before the work even begins. Once a mobile safety checklist has been completed, it is immediately available for review. So in conclusion, your digital HVAC documents allow for timely, accurate, and professional project documentation. Using powerful and intuitive features, your team can expedite form completion, allowing them to spend less time on their paperwork and more time on their projects on hand. And with real-time data and powerful reporting tools, you can identify opportunities and workflow hindrances to improve your overall workflow. Digitizing your documents is super easy. You just upload your PDF or a JPEG of your existing document. You make them smart with intuitive digital fields and features to gather better data. You can complete your forms absolutely anywhere and everywhere, even offline. And once your forms are completed, they can be instantly reviewed and processed. So, all right, we'll go ahead and answer some of the questions that were submitted into the GoToMeeting, starting with Kevin. So he asked, I need to use forms on my iPhone and I don't have a tablet. Will my forms be hard to use and read on a small phone? So that's an awesome question, Kevin. On the GoFormz app, you can select a list view for your navigation bar, which will display an app-like index of your fields, which makes it easier to see and use on your phone. And whenever you need to switch back to your original form view, you can just toggle between the two. It's super easy. And looks like we have another question from Rachel. My company uses Box to store our forms. Can GoFormz connect to my Box account? It's a great question, Rachel. GoFormz is really easy to use integration with Box, so you can upload the completed forms and reports to your Box account. All right, looks like we got another question from Mark on how to create a template. So that's a great question, Mark. We get that a lot of the time. Making a template is super easy to do. You just log into your account on GoFormz.com on your desktop computer or laptop, or you can start a free trial. Then you upload a PDF or a JPEG of your original form. You can drag and drop the smart fields onto your new template. We have a lot of beginner resources to help on our blog and support site, so be sure to browse through those as you get started, or you can send me an email through at tpolanco@goformz.com. Okay, thank you guys so much for today. If you guys are interested in learning more about GoFormz and what it can do for your HVAC business, you can check out our blog for more expert advice and tips. After today's webinar, your account manager will reach out to you to answer any further questions you might have. If you want a more in-depth demonstration or have questions about the trial extension, they will also be able to help you out with that. Thank you so much and have a great day.